Hello friends, welcome to our channel Gurukul India. Today we are going to discuss about more questions and answers related to USA. These questions are at most important for competitive examination point of view. America is hope, compassion. The United States of America, aka America or USA, with a motto announcing in God we trust, justifies every sense of the word used. The country whose capital reads Washington, D.C., where English is the national language and whose citizens are called Americans, was declared independent from the Kingdom of Great Britain in the year 1776, while it was recognized as one on 3rd September 1783. America is great because it has as much diversity in geographies as it does in people. So, plug in your earphone and start learning by listening. Please like and subscribe. Your support is the only fuel which keep us motivated. About USA General Knowledge Questions Answers of United States of America. In this video, you can read about top most general knowledge questions answers about US. These questions are very important to learn, and we covered all major topics. 1. According to 2018 reports, what is the population of United States of America? 32 crores 75 lakhs 42,690 on 16th April 2018 by census.gov. 2. Who is current Vice President, 49th, of the United States? Kamala Harris. 3. Las Vegas is known of what in the United States of America? This is known primarily for its shopping, gambling, nightlife, fine dining and entertainment. 4. Who was the President of the United States from August 1974 to January 1977? Gerald Rudolph Ford, Jr. 5. Where is Denali, mountain peak in North America, in United States of America? Located in the Alaska Range, U.S. state of Alaska. 6. In the Constitution of the United States, how many articles are there? The U.S. Constitution, created on 17 September 1787, has 7 articles. 7. When United States became the first nation to land a man on the moon? In 1969. 8. Name the national bird and national animal of the United States of America. The bald eagle is both national bird and national animal of US. 9. Which was the world's first artificial satellite? Sputnik I. 10. When Microsoft Corporation was founded in United States of America? 4th April 1975 at Albuquerque, New Mexico. 11. The city hops located at where in United States of America? New Mexico. 12. Where is the Bora Peak in United States of America? Idaho, US. 13. What is the total length of Rocky Mountains? 3,000 mi, 4,800 kilometers. 14. Which is the highest point in the Rocky Mountains? Mount Elbert, 4,401.2 m or 14,440 foot. 15. What is currently largest bill in US currency? Highest current denomination in US is the $100 bill. 16. When the American Revolutionary War was fought? 1775 to 1783. 17. Lake Huron is located in which country? United States of America. 18. Herbert Hoover, 31st President of United States of America, belonged to which political party? Republican. 19. Grover Cleveland, 22nd and 24th President of United States of America, belonged to which political party in US? Democratic. 20. Where is National Air and Space Museum in the United States of America? Washington, D.C. 21. Where is Statue of Liberty in the United States? At Liberty Island in New York Harbor, in New York City. 22. Who was the Edwin Hubble in the United States? American astronomer. 23. When Golden Gate Bridge was construction started on? 5th January 1933. 24. Golden Delicious tree was discovered by whom? Anderson Mullins at West Virginia. 25. Discovery of Pluto was done by whom? American astronomer Clyde Tombaugh in 1930. 26. What is 46th President of the United States? Joe Biden since January 2021. 27. According the land area United States stand on which position in the world? Third. 28. What is the capital of Colorado in United States? Denver. 29. What is total length and height of Golden Gate Bridge? Length 2,737 meters and height 227 meters. 30. Missouri River is one of the longest river in United States. Total length of this river is what? 2,341 miles, 3,767 kilometers. 31. Name the national flower of United States of America. Rose. 32. Which is the largest city in Washington? Seattle. 33. Who is the current Secretary of State in United States of America? Rex W. Tillerson, 69th Secretary of State of the United States since 1st February 2017. 34. Golden Gate Bridge, San Francisco, California connects what? It links the San Francisco Bay with the Pacific Ocean. 35. When Serena Williams, an American professional tennis player, born? 26 September 1981 at Saginaw City in Michigan, United States. 36. Philadelphia was founded by whom? In 27 October 1682 by William Penn. 37. Where is Mauna Loa volcano in the United States of America? Hawaii. 38. When first Emmy Awards was presented in United States of America? 25th January 1949. 39. Taylor Swift is known for what? American singer-songwriter. 40. What is the distance from India to United States? 13,595 kilometers, 8,448 miles. 41. When was the United States flag adopted in country? 14th June 1777. 42. What is the Independence Day of United States of America? 4th July. 43. What is the length of Grand Canyon in United States of America? 277 miles, 446 kilometers. 44. Who was the National Security Advisor, NSA, of the President Donald Trump, United States? John R. Bolton, former United States Ambassador to the United Nations, effective by 9 April 2018. 45. Who was the 45th President of United States of America? Donald John Trump, 2017 to 2021. 46. Who is the 40th Governor of California, serving since 7th January 2019? Gavin Newsom. 47. When Mark Zuckerberg, CEO of Facebook, was born? 14th May 1984 at New York, United States. 48. Who was the third President of United States of America? Thomas Jefferson. 49. Total length of Erie Canal in New York is what? 524 miles. 50. When Barack Obama, former 44th US President, was born? 4th August 1961. 51. How many states are there in the US? 50 states. 52. What do Americans celebrate on 4th July? Independence Day. 53. In which year was the independence from England declared? 1776. 54. Which president freed the slaves? Abraham Lincoln. 55. Who was the civil rights leader who fought through nonviolent action? Martin Luther King Jr. 56. Who was the first person to walk on the moon? Neil Armstrong. 57. Where's the White House located? Washington, D.C. 58. What organization tries to find solutions to world problems and disputes? The United Nations. 59. Who said, "We hold these truths to be self-evident, that all men are created equal"? Thomas Jefferson. 60. Who is eligible for the office of president? A natural-born citizen. 61. When was the 19th Amendment to the Constitution giving women the right to vote ratified? 1920. 62. What was the name of the Pilgrim's ship? The Mayflower. 63. What was the date of the Boston Tea Party? On 16th December 1773, colonists dumped a shipment of tea into the Boston harbor. 64. What city was the first capital of the United States? New York City. 65. When was the Declaration of Independence signed? 2nd August 1776. The final draft was completed 4th July, but it wasn't actually signed until nearly a month later. 66. What was the name of the treaty that ended the French and Indian War, 7 years war between Great Britain and France? The Treaty of Paris. 67. What was the first American state? Delaware. 68. Who was the first president to live in the White House? John Adams. 69. What founding father was credited with inventing bifocals? Benjamin Franklin. 70. Where was the Constitutional Convention held? Philadelphia. 71. Which president in USA is also known as Father of the Constitution? James Madison. 72. When was the first US dollar printed? 1862-73. Whose portrait was on first US dollar? Salmon P. Chase, the Secretary of the Treasury during the Civil War. 74. President John F. Kennedy was assassinated in 22nd November 1963, Parkland Hospital, Dallas, Texas, United States. 75. The longest river in the USA is the Missouri River. 1976. Manhattan was bought from Indians by Netherlands in exchange for traded goods valued at 60 guilders. 77. The Metricton Rushmore Monument is in the Black Hills near Keystone, South Dakota. 78. Which NBA team is the richest in the world? The New York Knicks. 79. Who owns the Premier League? It is owned by 20-member club who play in it. 80. What date did Neil Armstrong walk on the moon? 20th July 1969. Thank you. Please like, share and subscribe. Stay tuned for more learning.